of my own wave. Baby, I love to lie here in this mess we made. I'm thinking maybe we should slow down, 'cause baby, we don't even know how did we get here. Up against the wall, though we made it clear we weren't supposed to fall. Now we're either gonna swim or we're gonna sink. I don't know how we did it, but we fell in too deep. In too deep. Now we're either gonna swim or we're gonna sink. I don't know how we did it, but we fell in too deep. Feeling the weight of the world on my shoulders, 'cause I know that this isn't right, but we can't deny it. It's all fun and games until somebody crosses the line. My guilty conscience, broken promises, always here on my mind. I'm being honest, we can't stop this, no matter how hard we try. How did we get here? Up against the wall, though we made it clear we weren't supposed to fall. Now we're either gonna swim or we're gonna sink. I don't know how we did it, but we fell in too deep. In too deep. Now we're either gonna swim or we're gonna sink. I don't know how we did it, but we fell in too deep. In too deep. Now we're either gonna swim or we're gonna sink. I don't know how we did it, but we fell in too deep.
Green light. Green light.